Did you know your home could smell amazing without any sprays or candles? Today, I'm revealing 5 indoor flowers that not only brighten your space, but fill it with natural, heavenly fragrance. Stick around. Number 3 will completely surprise you. 1. Jasmine, Arabian jasmine. Imagine walking into your home and being greeted by a fragrance so sweet it instantly lifts your mood. That's the magic of jasmine, one of the most fragrant indoor flowers you can grow today. Jasmine is famous for its small, white, star-shaped blooms that release a rich, intoxicating aroma. Its scent is not only delightful, but is also known to reduce stress, boost relaxation, and even help with better sleep when placed in bedrooms. The plant thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and prefers well-draining soil. Water it moderately, keeping the soil slightly moist but not soggy. Fertilize during the growing season for the best blooms. One of the coolest things about jasmine is its long flowering period indoors. With the right care, it can bloom multiple months of the year, making your space smell heavenly almost year-round. If your room is small, jasmine can be grown in a compact pot or trained along a trellis or decorative frame, making it a perfect fit for apartments or cozy spaces. Pro tip: place jasmine near a window that gets morning sunlight and gently trim after flowering to encourage bushier growth. By adding jasmine to your indoor garden, you're not just getting a plant, you're creating an atmosphere. Its scent fills the room naturally, offering a calming, welcoming vibe that guests will instantly notice. Whether in a bedroom, living room, or even a small balcony, jasmine is a showstopper. 2. Gardenia. Ever wanted your home to smell like a luxury spa every single day? Gardenia is your secret weapon for that. Gardenias are prized for their creamy white blooms and incredibly strong, sweet fragrance that can fill any room. They're perfect for living rooms or bedrooms where you want to add elegance and a natural perfume. But gardenias do have a few needs. They thrive in bright, indirect light, and they love high humidity, so misting the leaves or using a pebble tray helps keep them happy. The key to success is soil that drains well but stays moist. Overwatering or letting water sit at the roots can harm this sensitive plant. Fertilize during the growing season with an acid-loving plant fertilizer to encourage frequent blooms. Gardenias not only smell amazing, they also have glossy green leaves that enhance your interior aesthetic. For small spaces, consider mini gardenia varieties or growing them in decorative pots that can be rotated for light exposure. Their fragrance is strongest in the evening, making them perfect near a bedroom window or cozy corner where you relax after work. Pro tip: keep gardenia away from cold drafts and prune lightly after flowering to shape the plant and encourage more blooms. By having gardenia indoors, you're turning your home into a fragrant sanctuary. Its aroma is romantic, relaxing, and luxurious, making any space feel alive and inviting. Whether for yourself or to impress visitors, gardenia is a must-have. 3. Peace lily. Did you know one plant can clean your air and fill your home with a gentle, sweet scent? Meet the peace lily, the indoor flower everyone should have. Peace lily is not only a beautiful plant with elegant white blooms, but also a natural air purifier. It's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or even offices where you want freshness without overpowering fragrance. Its scent is subtle yet pleasant, making it ideal for small rooms or apartments. Caring for peace lily is easy, even for beginners. It thrives in low to medium indirect light, making it perfect for spaces that don't get a lot of sunlight. Water it when the top inch of soil feels dry. Peace lilies don't like to sit in soggy soil. Fertilize occasionally during the growing season to encourage healthy leaves and blooms. Its flowers can last several weeks, providing a long-lasting touch of elegance and freshness. One of the best features of peace lily is its low-maintenance nature. You don't need to be a plant expert to enjoy its benefits. Its green foliage brightens rooms, and its white flowers add a sophisticated look without taking up much space. Pro tip: remove yellow leaves and spent blooms to keep your plant looking fresh. Placing it near a window with indirect light will encourage more flowers and a subtle fragrance that fills the room naturally. By having a peace lily indoors, you're not just decorating, you're improving the air, reducing toxins, and enjoying a calming aroma. It's a small, elegant plant that packs a big punch in both beauty and health benefits, perfect for anyone looking for a fragrant, low-maintenance indoor companion. 4. Miniature roses. Imagine having the timeless fragrance of roses blooming in your living room, even if you live in a small apartment. Miniature roses make it possible. Miniature roses are perfect for indoor spaces because they deliver the classic sweet rose scent without needing a garden. Their tiny, vibrant blooms can brighten any tabletop, windowsill, or shelf. With multiple colors and repeated flowering cycles, they offer both beauty and fragrance throughout the year. Caring for miniature roses indoors requires bright, direct light, ideally 4 to 6 hours per day. Water regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not soggy, and fertilize with a balanced plant food during the flowering season. They benefit from good airflow to prevent pests like aphids, but they're otherwise low maintenance if given enough light. For small rooms, choose compact pots or hanging planters to maximize space. The fragrance is light yet unmistakable, filling the room without being overpowering. Miniature roses also encourage mindfulness. Pruning spent flowers and nurturing new blooms can be a relaxing routine. Pro tip: rotate your plant occasionally to ensure even growth and remove dead leaves to promote healthy flowers. With the right care, your indoor rose can bloom continuously, making your home smell like a blooming garden. Adding miniature roses to your indoor space is more than decoration. It's an experience in a pot. Its stunning flowers, delicate foliage, and unforgettable scent turn even a small room into a fragrant paradise. Perfect for lovers of floral fragrances, small apartments, or anyone looking to add a natural, luxurious touch to their indoor space. Number 5. Stephanotus, Madagascar Jasmine. Want a plant that smells like honey in your home every evening? Honey Stephanotus is your secret indoor garden weapon. Stephanotus, also called Madagascar Jasmine, produces star-shaped white flowers with a powerful, sweet fragrance that intensifies in the evening. Its elegant blooms are perfect for adding a romantic or sophisticated touch to bedrooms, hallways, or even small balconies. The fragrance is intense but not overwhelming, making it ideal for cozy spaces. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and needs moderate watering. Keep the soil moist but well-draining to prevent root rot. Fertilize monthly during the growing season for robust growth and consistent blooms. Stephanotus can be grown in small spaces using decorative pots and vertical supports like small trellises to guide its vines. Pro tip: for maximum blooms and fragrance, maintain high humidity by misting or placing a tray of water nearby. Remove old flowers after blooming to encourage new buds. Its honey-like scent can make evenings magical, perfect for intimate dinners, relaxation, or simply enjoying a fragrant atmosphere. Stephanotus is not just a plant, it's an experience in a pot. Its stunning flowers, delicate foliage, and unforgettable scent turn even a small room into a fragrant paradise. Perfect for lovers of floral fragrances, small apartments, or anyone looking to add a natural, luxurious touch to their indoor space. Easy, low-maintenance, fragrant indoor plants for small rooms. Lavender, compact, calming, aromatic, and easy in bright indirect light. Mint, sweet, fresh scent, grows quickly in small pots. Orchid, Phalaenopsis, light fragrance, elegant blooms, and low maintenance. Lemon balm, subtle citrus scent, small pots, beginner-friendly. Hoya, wax plant, sweetly scented flowers, very low care, perfect for hanging baskets. And there you have it, 5 indoor flowers that make your home smell like a garden paradise. Whether you want a relaxing vibe or a sweet, uplifting scent, these flowers are perfect for any room. Which one will you bring home first? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant magic.